Marginal Rate of Transformation and PPC. What is marginal rate of transformation? Marginal rate of transformation measures how many units of one product have to be given up to produce an additional unit of another product. It is the opportunity cost. When an economy is operating on the production possibility curve, resources have been fully utilized. On the PPC, points A, B, C, D, and E show the full utilization of resources, or the best use of resources. This is also known as efficiency. If an economy that operates on the PPC wants to produce an additional unit of a good, more resources have to be allocated to its production at the expense of another good. Assuming an economy is operating on point A, where it produces 200 units of mangoes and 0 unit of apples. If it decides to produce 500 units of apples, it will produce 180 units of mangoes instead of 200, thereby giving up 20 units. The marginal rate of transformation measures the opportunity cost of producing an extra unit of apples in terms of the units of mangoes sacrificed. How is the marginal rate of transformation calculated? It is the slope of the PPC at any point. The formula is decrease in the quantity of product Y divided by increase in the quantity of product X. PPC and increasing opportunity cost. The opportunity cost of producing an extra unit of apple has been calculated from one point to another. From A to B, 20 mangoes are given up to produce 500 extra apples. 20 divided by 500 is 0.04, meaning 0.04 unit of mango has to be sacrificed to produce an extra unit of apple. Likewise, the MRT from B to C is 20 divided by 100, which is 0.2. MRT from C to D is 0.4. From D to E is 2. Therefore, the PPC is bowed outward or concave to the origin. The amount of one good to be given up, or opportunity cost, is increasing. This happens when resources are not efficient in producing both goods. For example, they are more suitable for mangoes, not apples, making the opportunity cost to rise. The resources that are less specialized in producing the apples are being used. For instance, the workers that are more qualified for mango production are used to produce apples. If the PPC is a straight line, the slope or MRT is constant. From one point to the other on the PPC, the opportunity cost is 3 units of rice for every extra unit of wheat produced. Less specialized resources are being used, and they can be substituted for each other. This means that the opportunity cost is constant, or the same, as more units are made. Resources are perfectly interchangeable. They use identical or the same labor, machines, and land, for example, rice and wheat, or corn and wheat. If PPC is bowed inward or convex to the origin, MRT or opportunity cost decreases. This implies that the units of a product to be sacrificed keep falling as an extra unit of another product is produced. This may be caused by rising efficiency in production arising from economies of scale, which drives down its opportunity cost. Less of the product has to be sacrificed.